Hey friends, welcome to 0 to N. In this video we will learn what are joins in SQL, various types of joins and difference between them with examples. So let's start with what is join. Join is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on the related column between them. Let's take an example. Let's say you have a customers table having attributes customer ID, customer name and country, and another table orders table having attributes order ID, customer ID and order date. And customer ID in orders table refers to the customer ID in customers table. So column customer ID is creating a relationship between the two tables. Now let's say you want the information about the customer name and the date they ordered something. So the customer name is present in one table and the order date is present in another table. Now you need to combine these two tables to get the relevant information you need. So the join is used to combine those two tables. There are different types of joins: natural, inner, left outer, right outer, and full outer join. Let's start with natural join. Natural join operates on two relations and produces a resultant relation with tuples that has the matching records for the common attribute from the two tables. Common attribute are those having the same name and data type in both the tables. A query with natural join looks like this. Now let's take an example to understand natural join. So these are the two tables with customer ID present in both the tables that will serve as a common attribute between the two tables. So the rows having same value of customer ID in both the tables will be added into the final resultant relation. Inner join. Inner join is same as natural join, but it will explicitly match the tuple values for the columns specified in the join query using on clause. And the resultant relation will have all the attributes from both the tables, but single occurrence for the common column. This is an example of an inner join query that is joining based on the values in the customer ID column. In the inner join query, the inner keyword is optional. So by default, if the join type is not specified, then it will be an inner join. Outer join. Outer join on two relations give the resultant relation with the tuples having matching values on join columns from both the tables and adds null for the tuples that do not have a match. Outer join is of three types: left, right, and full outer join. Left outer join. Left outer join will return all the records from the table that is on the left side of the join operation and the matching records from the right side table, and the attributes from the right table that doesn't have a match, then the rows will be filled with null values. Right outer join. Right outer join is same as left outer join, but it preserves the tuples from the right side table of join operation and adds null values for the left table attributes that doesn't have a match. So the resultant relation from the right outer join will have all the records from the right table and matching records from the left table. The non-matching rows from the left table will have null values. The query for right outer join will look same as left outer join query, but just we need to change the keyword left to right. Full outer join. It is like union of left and right outer join. So the resultant relation will have all the matching records from both the tables and adds null entries for non-matching records for both left and right tables. I hope this video was useful. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.